so I wanted to book a winter getaway to Whistler Blackcomb, but then a little company called Vail had other ideas. Yes, I cannot afford a $300 per day ski pass. Like, are you insane? But I found two pretty good alternatives. Now, you see, most of us normal people can't really afford skiing at Whistler Blackcomb. Unless you're some rich foreign tourist, you're not going to be able to do that, let's be honest. And yeah, credit to Whistler Blackcomb. It's still an amazing hill. It's just the company that owns it is evil. It has over 8,000 acres, more than 200 runs, and one of the biggest vertical drops in North America. But if you're like me and you can't afford that, let's look into the two better budget-friendly options. Number one is Lake Louise, which has over 4,200 acres of skiable terrain and is close to 170 named runs. Sure, it's not Whistler Blackcomb level, but it's still like massive and it's more than you can do in a day. The longest run stretch is close to 8 kilometers, which is just wow, amazing. And it also has iconic runs. Look at Weewaxie for cruisers, Whitehorn 1 if you want something a little steeper, and the back bowls for some just excellent, very scenic skiing. Lake Louise also boasts an amazing scenery. Like, just search up Lake Louise beautiful online and you'll see exactly what I mean. It's just stunning. And if you race, there's also race terrain, but like, let's be honest, who goes on a ski trip to race? Let's be so for real. Now, the other resort is Sunshine Village, which is kind of a sleeper pick. It has about 3,300 acres and 100 plus runs, and is spread out across Mount Standish, Lookout Mountain, and Goat's Eye. It's also known for having one of the longest ski seasons in all of Canada, often running from early November to late May. Runs like Banff Avenue give you a long scenic ski hill, while South Divide gives perfect intermediate cruise. If you want something a little bit steeper, Goat's Eye delivers legit expert terrain, and for very advanced skiers, don't get me wrong, you have to be really good to do this, there's Delirium Dive, which is, it's just extreme. Just look it up online. And basically the best part about these two things is the prices. An average lift ticket at Whistler Blackcomb is around over $300 Canadian, whereas at Lake Louise and Sunshine Village they're around maybe $150, maybe $175, so it's almost half the price. And here's the thing, if you're gonna go for just one day, you realistically aren't gonna explore all of Whistler Blackcomb. It's kind of a waste. You have to go for at least a few days to explore that. And if you're gonna go for one day, a ski hill like Lake Louise and Sunshine Village, you're not gonna be able to explore that all either. So it's basically the same amount of like exploration if you think about it. And at half the price, like, come on, man. But I haven't even told you the best part yet. The best part is that these ski hills are 45 minutes away from each other. So you can go to Sunshine Village for one day and Lake Louise the other day and experience the magic of both. Like, they both have their pros and cons, their ups and downs, and their different like things that they're good at, and you can experience both rather than just Whistler Blackcomb. Like, think about it. Wait, this is kind of like huge brain. Whistler Blackcomb is one hill, and then Lake Louise and Sunshine Village is two hills. So if you go to Lake Louise and Sunshine Village on 2 different days and you're paying about as much as a Whistler ticket, you're experiencing 2 mountains for the price of 1. And even though acres wise Whistler Blackcomb is still bigger, yes it is that big, runs wise it's not even close. Like, come on, would you rather visit 2 ski mountains or 1 ski mountain? It's just as simple. You get to ski for 2 days or 1 day, and also you don't have to deal with all the foreign tourists just absolutely destroying you. So anyways, yeah, Whistler is bigger, but Lake Louise and Sunshine Village gives you thousands of acres, long sustained runs, serious expert terrain, and fewer crowds without destroying your budget. I'd just like to end it off with this ranking for the best ski mountains in North America by Peak Ranking. Shout out to them, amazing channel. And they put Whistler Blackcomb at number 1. Very fair, the best ski resort in North America. I totally agree with that. But Sunshine Village is at number 5, and Lake Louise is at number 8. So you could choose either go to the number 1 best ski resort in North America for insane price, insane lines, and just sometimes really a horrible experience. Like, what if you get a bad snow day? You spent $300 on nothing. Or you could choose a day at the number 5 resort in North America and a day at the number 8 resort in North America. That's all I'm saying. You get 2 different days, 2 different terrains, 2 different mountains. It's just so much better, man. Anyways, Vail, I hope your company gets imploded.